Oh, there, I call this one Up the Ladder Glaciers because the speed at which I'm doing these cuts isn't my typical fast, speedy, high octane speed. It's more slow and deliberate. I try to make it as smooth and slow as possible, like a floating glacier. And there is the deck back in new deck order. We'll continue.